Okay, area of a triangle using the formula half AB sine C. Now first of all, you've been given the area here already. So the area is 21 meters squared. The angle between the two sides, when it goes A and B, you can use any of those, and this is the angle between them, which is called the angle C. Okay, so whenever we're looking at a triangle, this will be A, this will be B, and the angle between them is always known as the angle C. Now over here we've got a half. We're using the formula times 6.1 multiplied by 7 times the angle between them is sine x. That's the angle we need to find. That's going to equal the area 21 millimeters squared. Now if you calculate that, half of 6 is 3. Sorry, half of 6.1 is, hang on, my calculator, give me 1 second. So if you calculate the numbers, you'll get 0.5 times 6.1 times 7. You should have got 21.35 times sine x equals 21. Because that's times in, you want to take that to the opposite side. Opposite of times is divide. So you get divide by 21.35. So then you get sine x equals 21 shared by the answer I had. You'll get 0.9836, etc. Now just remember, when I need to find the angle, and that means I need to take this function to the other side, so I must press on the calculator shift. So that gives me x equals, now when you press shift on the trig function, you'll get sine inverse of 0.983, etc. And if you do that shift sine answer, the answer, 1 minute, my angle setup is in radians, I need to get in degrees. You'll get 79 point, I'm going to call it 79.6. Okay, now when you got it in angles, it's best to just have it to 1 decimal place. That's fine, 79.6, spot on. But make sure you show all your steps as you're going through this. Now we've got 2 questions here. In here you just need to, it's a very straightforward, you just need to work out the area and that's it. So first one, now again, rather than remembering, I mean you can remember this formula half AB sine C, but most importantly is the two sides and the angle between them. The two sides and the angle between them. So the area here will equal half times 10.6 times 9.1, and the angle between them is sine 34.7. Now if you just put that in your calculator, you get 0.5 times 10.6 times 9.1 times sine of 34.7, and you should have got 27.5. 27.5. Now can you please put the units, which will be centimeter squared. Okay, now if I did the next question, B, I'll do the same thing as the two sides and the angle between them. So again, the area is going to equal half times 10.6 times 4.9 times sine 142. And if you put that through the calculator, 0.5, if you all could do that, 10.6 times 4.9 times sine 142, you should get, now you get the answer 15.988, etc. So it's best to round that to 16.0. Sorry, it's not in degrees, it's in centimeter. No, it's in centimeter squared. So if you're rounding that, just do it to 16 centimeters squared.